Video is a great way to improve learning products and facilitate the understanding of concepts, especially when you combine video with audio elements. An excellent way to effectively use video in the classroom is as a tool to tell a story through visual imagery and narrative audio. When presented in a storyline narrative, it engages the learner and gets them involved in the series of events, enticing them to want to know what comes next. While making these interesting storylines, it is also important to adhere to some psychological factors in order to make the videos effective. We need to make sure we're focused on creating a distraction-free production, since anything that doesn't add to the learning can be detrimental to it. And one of the biggest factors we should keep in mind is the limited and transient nature of immediate memory. We should attempt to limit our video segments in both time and content in order to limit cognitive load. Cutting the videos into meaningful segments will assist learners in fully processing that single idea before moving on to the next one. Which leads me to my bad example of video use in a learning environment, creating videos that make heavy use of redundancy and multiple modalities. Both of these would create a situation where learning would be inhibited and could overload the cognitive process. Redundancy issues can occur when you are giving the same piece of information in two or more forms. An example would be adding words to pictures or animations, or including text in both audio and written form. Additionally, we want to avoid elaborations if the elaborations themselves are redundant. Mayer refers to this as the coherence effect and suggests removing the elaborations in order to enhance learning. In reference to the inclusion of multiple modalities, think of this as including two or more stimuli for the same neurological process. For example, including two visuospatial elements to convey the same information, like pictures and words on the same screen. This will create cognitive overload and reduce the learner's cognitive capacity, thereby reducing their ability to invest in the cognitive process.